Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to recover deleted records in monday.com. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to monday.com. Over here, look at the upper right corner and click on the login button. After that, sign in using your Google account or enter your email address. Then, if you choose Google, a prompt will appear to select your email account. Suppose you've deleted a column and missed the undo option. Over here, go to the top right corner and click on your avatar. Then, from the drop down menu, select the trash option. Over here, you'll see all items deleted within the past 30 days. Then, look for the checkbox next to the item you want to restore and tick it. After that, click the restore option at the bottom of the page. Once done, click the X button in the upper right corner to return to your dashboard. Then you'll see the deleted column reappear on your board. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.